Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from BoxyCharm for February 2022. Let's see what's inside. Got my trusty reading glasses on, and yes, the premium box, of course, in here is from Huda Beauty, and this is the Mercury Retrograde. I'm wondering, this may be an eye palette. Beautiful. The packaging for Huda is, she takes it seriously, and I don't blame her. Packaging, whether we like it or not, does play a part in whether you buy something, but ultimately, does the product produce what it's supposed to do? Product performance is most important as well, but the packaging certainly helps. Okay, this is like a plastic, but the presentation, very pretty. And here's the back. Okay. This is my first time opening it, but oh, it is. It's an eyeshadow palette, so I'm going to show you here. I see some shimmer, some glimmers, and some mattes. Wow. That is gorgeous. I can't wait to experience this and do an assessment of it, so watch out for that in an upcoming video. Next we have something from Aceology. Let's FaceTime Rose Quartz Gua Sha Facial Massager. Oh, it's that little piece of material that they use to, that the claim is that it helps to deflate or depuff or move the lymphatic fluids that are underneath your skin around. I don't know if any of these products work. I, for myself, find them rather gimmicky, but some people swear by them. I don't know how many of these people who do are actually certified, can explain the science and say whether or not this works. I just put this under, I just usually have my skeptic cap on when it comes to these kind of products, whether it's this or jade roller. I have given my review of a jade roller on my actual blog, because this channel did start off as a blog that I still write in every now and then, but I would check it out. I think I'll post a link to that somewhere here, if not in the description below. But yeah, I kind of find these gimmicky. I don't think they really promise what they do. I think it's more of a psychological thing. Okay, so it opens this way. That's the packaging. And I guess this is the little case that you can put it in when you're done. And this is the little piece inside. It looks like what it is. It's like a piece of stone. I don't know if it comes out, but it's packaged really well. And I guess that's their logo here. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's like an oversized guitar pick. That's what it reminds me of. If you play a guitar, you know what I mean. But yeah, it's cute, but I don't know if it's the savior or the answer to my prayers. I think it's, I don't know. Oh, let me know in the comments below if you can find the science to back this, to prove that gua shas or jade rollers actually work. For me, I just need the scientific evidence for it. The next thing that I have here is from Christophe Robin, which has appeared in subscription boxes that I've had before. So this is a good brand. I mean, it hasn't done what it, well, whatever it's claimed to do, it's never failed in that category to do. I think they mostly deal with hair. This is the Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist. Ooh, with rose water. I'm already sold. I'm one of those people that I like the smell of rose. Some people do it better than others. Oh, that smells good. Okay. If they make a lavender one, I am definitely going to buy it. Lavender, vanilla, and rose. Those are my three that, if I have nothing, those are the scents that I want to have on. I have a rose water toner and I love it. I think I've mentioned it before. It's from Monde. And it has a nice gentle rose scent, because some people overdo it with the scents. I just want to keep spraying this in my hair. It smells so good. This is supposed to instant volumize, uplift the roots and fuller lengths. So I guess maybe I should be putting it in the lengths. I mean in the roots. It just smells delicious. But if you're not into the rose scent, then this won't be for you. Or if you're not into any kind of scents, this is not for you. But it clearly states on the packaging what it has. It's not like it's trying to hide anything from you. Okay, the next thing I have here is from, what's Pretty Vulgar. I haven't seen them in a hot minute. There's something here called Love Binds, or is it Love Birds? Let's see if there's a, oh yeah, here. There's a card. And the card reads, "Be my Glam Time." Oh, how sweet. Okay, so where does this bad boy go? Okay, so the Huda Beauty product is $67 US. What? What? The Aceology Rose Quartz Gua Sha thing? That goes for $45. Yeah. The Christophe Robin Instant Volume Mist Rose Water, that is $39 US. And what's this? The Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics Lovebirds Lip Duo. Oh, nice. I'll have to feature that in a feature review, because right now I'm wearing lipstick. This is the Beauty Bakery Lip Whip, and this stuff, once it's on, it stays on. So I will view this in a future video. But the packaging is gorgeous. How much is this? This is $30 US. I like Pretty Vulgar. They have some interesting products, like some of, yeah. And this is their label there, and the colors. So it's a lip duo. I guess maybe one is a lipstick and one's a lip gloss. So one's the lipstick and one's the gloss. How pretty. The packaging is really cute, but it is plastic, you know. It's not. Okay, there's still more to come. The next thing I have in here is something called Prime for the Night from Moonlit. I like the packaging. And this is Moonlit Makeup Primed for the Night. It's an eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing, so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. I might use this then, if this is an eyeshadow primer, with the Huda Beauty retrograde palette. I just might. This bad boy goes for $18 US and is considered a new launch. So this is probably a new brand. What a milestone to come into an established beauty box like BoxyCharm. That's amazing. Good for you, Moonlit. I have no idea what else they had. They're a new launch, so this is a nice way to introduce a brand. So here's the packaging, which reflects, you know, sort of the packaging of the box, which is nice. And it's not smaller or thinner than the box. It's nice that, you know what I mean? Because sometimes you open up packages and you get this much and the box is like this huge. So it turns like so. And it's a flat paddle. And it's an eye primer, so I'll just, well, I don't have to worry about it not blending in. It looks almost translucent. It may show up on darker, deeper skin tones, but it has a little bit of a weird scent. It's not completely odorless, but I want to say it smells slightly chemical-like. I'm not sure. Yeah, it has a smell that I can't place, but I appreciate that it's an eye primer. But it's not an overt like perfumey or flowery scent. That's not what it is. And it doesn't smell like cake or candy, in case you were wondering. And last but certainly not least, I have this here. Okay, this is a spray, and this is from Vilke or Vike. I'm gonna say V-I-K-E. I'm gonna say Vilke, but I don't know. This is their makeup melt. Oh, is this something that, oh, what is this? Now I'm already curious. Let's see, where does it say here? Here it is, makeup melt, a makeup removal spray with skincare benefits. Makeup melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and makeup melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. Well, we are definitely going to take up its claim and put it to the test in an upcoming video, of course. And this is $24 US. Never heard of the brand. Have you heard of this brand? Let me know in the comments below whether I'm saying it right or pronouncing it right in the comments below. And if I have time in post-production, I'll put the phonetic correct pronunciation of it if I can find it. But it could be Vike, it could be Vikey, it could be Vic. I don't know. But hey, your claim sounds great to avoid having to use pads or, you know, cotton pads or wipes. Environmentally friendly, perhaps? But if this is an aerosol, I wonder. Just be careful when you open it, because mine felt a little liquidy. And I think that if this wasn't encased as well as it was, it might have leaked in my box. So, okay, here's the top. I just want to see if it has a, it might have a scent, but let's see. Oh, okay. It has a nice fresh scent, but it does have a fragrance. So if you're not into any fragrances, this may not be for you. But I'm intrigued by this. I am definitely most intrigued by this. So overall, this was a pretty pricey box. Wow. So what was in your BoxyCharm Premium? Let me know in the comments section below as well. And if you get the regular base subscription BoxyCharm, did any of these products appear in your base subscription? Let me know in the comments section below as well. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup subscription unboxing, or beauty subscription, but yeah, beauty subscription unboxing. And I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Until then, take care, stay safe. Bye.